Jason here right now. Got some great development out here. This is looking really good. This is looking really good. It's 5:09 p.m. and we are on Route 130, about 5 miles north of Bridge. Alright folks, and we do have police action on the street. We have police blocking roads about half a mile away. This is surreal. Good. This is a good rotation. Probably have to get our way to these power poles.